Well, hello, YouTube friends and fans. It's early morning. Just gonna try to do a weather update. If you're not watching Midwest, it's supposed to get a bunch of snow and supposed to start as rain. That's what was left over from 2 weeks ago. They said the storm slowed up. Everybody panicked. Schools are called off. They're saying we're gonna shut work down for 2 days starting tomorrow. So we'll see where this goes. Let's follow along. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Well, it's 3 in the afternoon, about 40 degrees. It's a little cooler than it was this morning, but lots of rain all day. I think the old warm front's holding back this big-ass cold front. They predicted 20-some inches. Lucky to see if we get 10 tomorrow. So just a little update here. It's now almost 7 o'clock in the evening. We're starting to get some white snowflakes. Just a second ago it was ice. So finally making the transition over to snow. Be real interesting to see where this goes by morning. Well, it looks like we got a good inch so far. 10 o'clock, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe more. I think I could have slept in another hour. Thought I'd show you the porch rail for perception. Time to go play. Usually I get the snowblower out, but we're going to take 2 shovels and see what we got. I might be wrong. There might be closer to 5 or 6. A little deceptive. Yeah, we're going to make it work just fine. I always clean by hand. It's quicker. Now I can turn the blower around without having to really stop. Time to head out of the garage here, and we'll get the head out. This way I don't blow snow so much in the garage as well. I'd like to turn it on once I'm outside. First real snowstorm of the year. Forgot to have my lights on yet. I'll figure it out in a second. Tell it looks like it's 5-6 inches. Pretty consistent across the driveway. Not sure why the blower's leaving a center white streak. Gonna have to go check that out here in a little bit. Oh, I finally found my rear flashing lights for the road. So as I make it out here, I let my boy run the snowblower the other day, and I had to put some weight on the back because he doesn't weigh enough. Still don't have the chains on. And about right here, I just figure out that this is not exciting without the chains. Or too much excitement, however you want to look at this. I'm literally stuck in the middle of a roadway and didn't feel like I was that safe at that point. So I get out, spin this thing around, and do lots of maneuvering to get myself back in the driveway. Enjoy the show, put a little music to this, and hope you're having a fine day. Well, he was super nice enough not to bury the driveway. I was just planning to wait on him and then I'd go fix it. Guess it's time to finish up. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.